Hi friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In this video today, I am going to talk all about computer applications education in India. I will speak to you about 5 things: qualities required in the candidate who wishes to pursue computer applications as a course in India, degree options which are available in India, eligibility criteria for getting into those courses or degree programs, entrance exams if there are any at the national level, and I'm going to talk about the professions which one can get into after finishing computer applications course in India. So starting with the quality check of candidates for computer applications, first I require the candidate to be a good mixture of academic and practical orientation. The child should be good with logic and should have affinity towards doing new and innovative things on computers. The child should have interest in gaining in-depth understanding of working of softwares, operating systems, and other front-end things in computer. He or she should have ability to spend long hours sitting and working on computers. The degree options which are available in the area of computer applications in India would be the age-old general degree known as BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Applications. There are degrees available in the area of combination of business management and IT, which is known as BBA in information technology. There can be a degree which is BCom in computer sciences, BSc in information technology or computer sciences. Also, there are integrated degrees of BCA MCA, along with that BSc MSc in information technology or computer sciences. These are the degree options which are available in India. The entrance exams at the top level, or few private universities who take entrance exam for computer applications as a course in India include Symbiosis, they take its own entrance exam, Christ University. There is a national level entrance exam known as UGAT, through which few private universities take students for computer applications. Indraprastha University Delhi has its own exam. Then Kalinga University, Jain University, all these universities have their own entrance exam for computer applications course. Majorly, the eligibility criteria to get into computer applications would be 10+2 in any stream. But there are very few colleges who would require or ask the candidate to have done either mathematics or statistics or computer studies as a compulsory subject in grade 11 and 12. The professions which one can get into after finishing computer applications course in India can be application designer, audio and visual technologist, computer system analyst, digital marketer, ethical hacker, game designer, media programmer, or network engineer, programmer, coder, SEO specialist, software engineer, VFX designer, web designer, website tester, and so on. Along with that, I would also like to add there are a lot of new age options which a lot of students look forward to get into, like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, networking, machine learning, data analytics, data mining, and so on. These all professions require a very good knowledge of both computers as well as analysis. The basis of analysis comes from subjects like economics, mathematics, and statistics. So if there is a combination which you are good with, you can always go ahead with advanced diplomas or post-graduation programs in the areas mentioned and get into the elite level within the computer application technology. I hope this video gives some insight to you about computer applications as a course. If you have any questions, please feel free to put your question in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer.
To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.